Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Yolanda, who is a PhD student at the Autonomous University of Madrid in Spain. Hi Yolanda, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Excited to know about your research. So let's start by understanding your research. So could you explain your work in super simple words to us, please?
Well, I'm working in 2D materials, which are materials that you can separate in layers and exfoliate them. And you can separate very thin layers of them, like one atom thin or very few atoms thick. So I have samples of those layers, and then I study them with AFM, which is atomic force microscopy. So that's a very thin tip that I can use to follow the surface of my sample, and I can control the movement of the tip with nanometric precision to learn things about the shape or the conductivity or the mechanical properties of the samples.
Okay, and what kind of 2D materials do you work with?
Well, I've worked a bit with graphene.
Of course.
Very famous for yeah. And also now I'm working with TMDs, transition metal dichalcogenoids, and molybdenum disulfide.
Okay.
Which is like a sandwich of sulfur and molybdenum.
Okay, and all these 2D materials, the TMDs, graphene, molybdenum disulfide, you can separate them with a Scotch tape method.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, the very, very famous and fun Scotch tape method. All right, that sounds good. So what can the followers expect in the week that you will curate the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
Well, first of all, I'm going to introduce a bit myself and how it work for me in my lab and with my partners here and my advisors. And then I'm going to talk a bit about those 2D materials and exfoliation and different techniques to obtain them. Then I want to talk a bit about AFM and some techniques.
Okay.
The different possibilities with the AFM. And I haven't done all of them, but I'll try to explain a bit. And then on Friday and in the weekend, I will try to explain how to survive in a very hot summer in Madrid.
Okay, so there's going to be a lot of science and also life hacks on how to survive in a super, super hot time in Madrid, in August, in peak time in Madrid, peak summertime. All right, that sounds amazing. Thank you very much for speaking with me, Yolanda. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.